Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making one of those meals where you're just using whatever you have in your house and you don't feel like cooking. So we're going to be using some taco sauce, some sour cream, some extra spicy taco sauce, and my favorite Doritos at the moment, well, to go with nachos. Hints on the lime flavor because I ran out of lime, some mozzarella cheese, and some chopped up veggies, whatever veggies that you like. I have some red onion, tomato, green onion, lettuce, and cucumber. We're gonna also start by, of course, cleaning our chicken. This is a way that I save money. I actually buy the thighs that have the bone in there, and then we just remove the bone as well as the skin. Now that we have our thighs deboned, it's going to look something like this. You're going to want to trim off everything that you don't want to eat and wash your chicken with some water and vinegar, as well as some lime if you have it. Of course, washing our sink and our cooking station with some Lysol and some hot water. Here is when you have one of those just mess ups with your phone. For some reason, it wanted to show you guys me cleaning my sink in slow motion. So I guess enjoy that. Now, once again, cheap and easy. I paid $20 for this plug-in like grill thingy that you put on top of your counter from Walmart. Go ahead and also preset our oven to 350. Next, heading over to our seasoning station, grabbing some of our favorite seasonings. Well, mine. This is what I use to season my taco meat whenever I don't have like the little seasoning packets. These flavors do come in handy and taste exactly the same. Now in this video, I did not measure my seasonings, of course, but we're gonna start with some canola oil. Head over to our chili pepper. Next, we're gonna start with some paprika. And my favorite garlic powder. But since we're not using any measurements, I would say to use about half a tablespoon of each of these seasonings or continue to season to your liking. That was onion powder. Next, we're going with some cumin. Also, another one of my fave, cayenne pepper. Now, since I don't have any lime, we're going to be using some lime pepper. My favorite seasoning that makes everything pretty, some parsley. We're going to add some more oil just to lubricate it and go ahead and mix that up, preferably with some gloves or really clean hands. Set the grill to 350 and begin to add that meat on there. Now, I forgot to show you guys me adding some oil onto a paper towel and going ahead and wiping down the grill before we start it. Now, do you guys see all of the flavor that's coming off of the chicken? It looks very good and it tastes just the same as you would on like a grill. I like this because it's easier. We can do it in the house and it also still gives you that grill-like flavor on your chicken. Another one of those camera mess ups and it wanted you to see me take it off the grill in slow motion. So this is what I'm doing onto a paper towel to catch that oil. This is what I mean by it still giving you that grilled like flavor. As you can see, it still has like that grilled like char on the chicken, which is exactly what we're going for tonight. Or whenever we do some chicken on the grill, this is exactly what you're going for just in the house. Next, we're going to go head over to our cast iron skillet, adding some oil to grease it down. Then we're going to be adding our Doritos or your tortilla chips into there so that way we can start to build our nachos. Now, hints on the lime flavor again because I, of course, ran out of lime before recording this video. And I forgot to show you guys me cutting up my chicken into bite-sized pieces, but that's what I did, adding them on top of the chips with a lot of cheese because my boyfriend loves cheese for some reason. We're gonna also season that with some paprika, some more chili pepper, and some parsley just to make it look pretty as well for the cheese to taste like something. And I also went ahead and set my timer for 7 minutes, then gonna place that into the oven. This is what it looks like when it gets out of the oven for about 7 minutes, and we're gonna start to plate it, adding all of our veggies on top as well as our taco sauces. We love sour cream, so we have a heavy sour cream buildup, adding some Tabasco. And this is what it looks like when you're all done. It'll be a fun meal for your kids to eat, or it'll be a nice and quick meal for you to eat. I hope you guys stay tuned to my channel and check out the rest of my recipes. Happy Taco Tuesday.